Make your fabric more paper-like and fray-free with the new SpraynBond fabric stiffener from ThermOWeb. This quick-drying, non-aerosol formula dries clear and makes cutting, pressing, and sewing easier by gently stabilizing fabric. Just spray fabric with SpraynBond fabric stiffener until damp and either iron it for immediate use or let it air dry. Fabric stiffener may be left in or washed out depending on your project. Before you get started, you'll want to protect your work surface with a non-stick surface such as heat and bond pressing paper, parchment paper, or a silicone craft mat. With the cap on, turn the bottle upside down and shake it well. Place your fabric on the protected surface and lightly spray from about 8 to 10 inches away until the entire surface area is damp, making sure not to soak it. To stiffen flat fabric projects, cover the treated fabric with heat and bond pressing paper or parchment paper and iron on medium heat until it's dry and then let it cool. If your fabric needs to be stiffer, just repeat the previous steps. To shape dimensional fabric projects, all you need to do is create the desired shape and let it air dry. To remove fabric stiffener from treated fabrics, machine wash cold and machine dry delicate on low. After washing, materials should return to their original state. Heavier applications may require repeated washings. Here are some of the projects you can make with the SpraynBond fabric stiffener. Quilting and t-shirt quilting. SpraynBond fabric stiffener reduces stretch when stitching on knits or fabric bias. Appliques. Treated fabrics will lay flat like paper to help create fray-free appliques. Stiffened fabric is much easier to handle when patterns include very small pieces. Embroidery. Use fabric stiffener as an easy alternative to tearaway stabilizer to eliminate most puckering. Electronic cutters and dies. Treated fabrics will run through machines as easily as paper and produce clean, fray-free edges. Arts and crafts. Use treated fabrics for fabric painting, card making, stamping, scrapbooking, collage, and more. Home decor and accessories. Fabric stiffener can be used on most fabrics, as well as ribbon, bows, lace, doilies, silk flowers, and crochet. Turn flimsy fabric into stiff fabric and let your creativity run wild with the new SpraynBond fabric stiffener from ThermOWeb.